Hello kids, my name is Cecilia. I'm a teacher from Sunshine State Academy. Today we're gonna make a rocket ship. Look. What we need scissors, paint, we need a roll for paper, tissue paper, and 3 colors about construction paper, okay? Okay, good, we're gonna start. So, the first step, we're gonna paint our roll paper and paint it with orange with a brush. We have already. The second step, we're gonna take construction paper like this and we're gonna cut 3 triangles, just like this. 1, 2, and 3. See? We're gonna fold in this corner and we're gonna paste here. We're gonna use glue. So, 1, second one, we're gonna put glue. This, and the last one, the third one. Here. You see? Okay, now we're gonna do the point. How we gonna do? I have already here. We take a square, we cut, and we made a curve like this. We put some glue. And paste. You see? We make a cone. This cone gonna be on the point for our rocket ship. We're gonna use this because it's dry already, so we're gonna put some glue here on the top. Remember, not too much. We don't want to make a mess. And we're gonna put our corner. See? Nice. Now, what we're gonna do? We're gonna do some windows. You see? Good. We're gonna cut 2 ovals in white or another color. And we're gonna paste. Good. Some glue. And we're gonna put here. Oh, extra glue. Here. Nice. Now what we're gonna do? Look, the tissue paper look like a fire, right? Okay. So we're gonna take some tissue paper and we're gonna cut the strips like this. Ready. I have to ready here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some glue here. And another one too. Let me finish. Glue, and we're gonna put on the bottom, okay? 1, and the second one. You can put in yellow or in orange. It's a little bit difficult, the tissue paper, so be patient. Because it's so sticky with the glue and maybe gonna stick on your fingers. And it's ready. Thank you guys.